Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is day 51 out of 365 days for improving and upskilling our English. So how are you all? I hope you are all doing great and your English journey is also going very fine. So I'm always explaining something in English, and this is also come in my series of English, and I had completed my 50 days of speaking English challenge, and in this challenge I learned a very thing, and in every day I'm learning many different things, and I am learning and I'm explaining the thing, and I am representing the thing in front of you, and the things that I learn, that want to, I'm eagerly want to share these things with you. Sharing, I was sharing with you all. So one technique I was learning recently, and I think that I have to share this thing and this technique with you all. So this technique is like a Mikaku technique. Mikaku, it is pronouncing like it is, it has also a tool, or we can say that it has also a app in Mikagu. Okay, Mikagu technique, it also known as 15, 30, and 15 minutes rule. So, what you are going to learn in this technique, and if you are inculcating this technique in your routine, in your journey of English, you are going a perfect and a fluent speaker. So, firstly, what is the meaning of 15? In Mikago technique, what is 15? You have to be a active learner. So, in this learning, you have to learn vocabulary, and make how to make sentences, and the some sentences, like some rules of grammar. And in the 30 minute you have to be a passive, like a passive learner, you in this, you have to learn, and you have to understand movie, you have to, watch movies and listen podcast. So in this way your mind is preparing for English thinking, and like you are become a perfect speaker. So this is how I'm also inculcating the things in my life, and the last one is 15 minutes. So in this 15 minute you have to reviewing the thing. So in this, firstly, in 15 minute you are be like a active learner, and in the second you have to be passive learner and passive observer, if we can say that, passive observer. And in the last thing, what we you have to do is like reviewing the thing. So what you have to do in this, so you have to review the thing, like you are learning the things, vocabulary, sentence formation, and after that, you watch movies, you listen songs, watch movies, watch videos on YouTube, and all this included in like this Mikago technique. And last, reviewing technique, you have to review the things, like what you have learned, how you are observing the thing, and how you can express the thing you are learning, you are observing. So this is all about reviewing the thing. And I'm also doing the reviewing thing, that from the past few years I am learning the things, but now I am now I'm reviewing the thing, and I am presenting, and I expressing my views in front of you all. So this is how Mikagu technique is working with all us, and you know like this is all about our Mikagu technique. And along with it, I am also wanting to express my view in some of the topic that, nowadays our wind is so preventing, and how the question is that how this wind is formed. So as a geography student, I can explain this as well. So there are two type of pressures prevalent in all over the world. That is low pressure and high pressure. The warmer area has a low pressure as compared to hotter. No, okay, we can say that cold area, and cold area has a cooler region, and cooler, we can say that in cold region we have high pressure. So you can also understand by the thing that in cold area there is like particles is very joined together, so it create a very, um, we can say that, pressure on land, so it has high pressure. And whenever we are like boiling water, boiling milk, they are like coming upside, and upside, like it has from heating, their particle get separated from each other, and they are like not like connected to each other, okay? So they are like uprising upside, and in this way it create a low pressure zone. So I'm a citizen of, and I am living in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan has also only low pressure, so it has sometimes attract high pressure winds. And you know how the wind create, so low pressure area always attract a high pressure region, high pressure, so it create winds in between. So I wondered that how, first of all, you know, when I was a child, I was always wondered that how how wind has created and how is formed. But whenever I was learning those things, I come to know that it is so simple, so easy thing, that if we are learning the things scientifically things, we are like becoming more intellectual person, more wise person. So from that day, you know, whenever I'm learning the thing, my curiosity is growing day by day, increasing. And this curiosity is increasing. It's a good sign of learning and improving. It's a sign of actually growth. So to be very honest, you know, I am very good, and I'm always wanting to learn many things. So this is also a very good path to learn from, which I can do growth from YouTube. You know, I'm always uploading video, record my voice, upload, and I am reviewing the thing. You know, the Mikago last thing is reviewing. I am doing the same. So this is all about my journey of English, and if you want to further want to join my journey, you can also become a part of this. So thanks a lot, and stay tuned with your growth and developments. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.